Hi, I'm Ryan from Tint 360, and I'm going to show you how to wash a vehicle that has paint protection film and ceramic coating in just a minute. First, thoroughly rinse your vehicle with water. Then use your foam cannon to loosen dirt and debris. Rinse vehicle again. Thoroughly wash your vehicle using the 2-bucket method. For the 2-bucket method, you will fill 1 bucket with water and soap that does not contain wax. Fill your second bucket with water only. We recommend using grit guards to keep dirt and particles at the bottom of the bucket and off of the wash mitt. Start by soaking the mitt in the water and soap mixture and washing one panel of the car. Then soak the mitt in the water only bucket and wring out before moving to the next panel. Repeat on remaining panels of the vehicle. This prevents washing your car with a dirty soap mixture. Finally, rinse the vehicle and dry using a leaf blower. The hydrophobic technology in paint protection film and ceramic coating will allow the water to run off easily and make washing your car a breeze. Finish up by spot drying with a microfiber towel. You can find a list of equipment used in the details below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next week.